Hi friends, today I want to share immunity, how to protect immunity, how we can prevent the immunity loss in our system. Immunity, we know it is a natural mechanism, natural power in our body. So, at this current scenario, immunity is very important. Lot of awareness programs started regarding the immunity. What are the food to be taken to improve the immunity, all those things. But here I want to stress factors that decreases immunity. I am not going to tell about the boosting immunity methods. I want to tell something about the factors which is decreases immunity. Several factors are there. Important factors I want to list out here. The first factor is stress. Stress is a serious condition which will affect the immunity. That lymphocytes breakdown happens because of the high levels of cortisol hormone which is present in the people who are exposed to stress. Stress increases the cortisol levels, cortisol hormones. These cortisol will have negative impact on immune system. So to avoid stress, we want to take a lot of measures, stress beating methods, exercise, meditation, yoga, lot of options are there. Stress to be removed is a very important factor which decreases the immunity. Second, directly if you see the lifestyle is connected, lifestyle is very important. The lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, for example, sedentary lifestyle, there will be overall increase in the inflammation, increase of the inflammation. So the sedentary lifestyle, lack of exercise, lack of physical activity, this causing the negative immune regulations impact on the immune system. Not only that, it leads to obesity. As a result, again there will be a inflammation. Increase in the inflammation will affect the immune power. Sedentary life should be avoided. Minimum 40 minutes to 1 hour exercise is required. You can split the time and do that. And third thing is diet or dietary habit. The food contains saturated fatty acids, sugar rich food, salt rich food. These are all will down regulates the immune system. It will decreases the immune potential activity. So the food should be taken very care to avoid these kind of foods, sugar rich, high calorie, junk food. It's nothing but junk food, salt rich packed foods, sugar rich foods, saturated fats, especially from animal fats. These are all again will have opposite effect on immune system. And another thing is loneliness. Loneliness, anxiety come loneliness, that is again a very big worrying issue for immune system because it increases the oxidative stress. The increase in oxidative stress itself causes a lot of free radical generation. This free radical generation increases the inflammatory markers, cytokines. This inflammation again will affects the immune system. And strenuous exercise, over exercise, high hyperactivity. So because of over exercise, overact physical activity, also there will be a fatigue in the system. This also will have impact on immune system. And of course next, smoking, nicotine levels in the system will definitely affects the T lymphocytes activity. The T lymphocyte activity is very important for the innate immune mechanism which directly act on virus. This is getting affected here, so it is very important. And next thing is sunlight. Exposed to sunlight, medium exposure to sunlight need vitamin D. For vitamin D is very important for the immune regulation, immune T cell activity and all. Vitamin D is important. Recent studies also given the result. So not exposed to sunlight also, vitamin D levels naturally comes down. that then the immune activity is possibility of decrease in the immune system. Vitamin D having direct effect on immunity. So sufficient levels of exposure to sunlight is very important. If you are not exposed in sunlight, your vitamin D levels will go down and there will be a prone for infections. And next come alcoholic. The chronic alcoholics, the alcohol directly which is converted into aldehyde in the body will affect the ciliary functions of the airway passage. So the ciliary function is very important to prevent the infection, viral bacterial infection. The upper respiratory tract ciliary function is getting affected. Because of the loss of ciliary function, the people are more prone for infections. So this is another important factor. So these are the some important factors we should consider: diet, physical lifestyle, diet, stress, exposure to sunlight, alcohol, smoking. These factors definitely having negative impact on immune system. Before boosting the immune system, we also want to prevent these factors which interfering the immune system, because at present scenario we want to protect our immune system. That is the only option with us right now until our vaccine comes. Thank you.